What's up, glow-getters? Ready to unlock a celeb-approved skincare secret that's low-key fire but no one's really talking about? We're talking about licorice, the natural, budget-friendly powerhouse hiding in your local pharmacy that A-listers swear by for clear, radiant, wrinkle-free skin. It's the secret sauce behind that red carpet glow. And in this video, we've got DIY beauty hacks straight from queens like Miley Cyrus, Miranda Kerr, Salma Hayek, Rihanna, and Cate Blanchett. Let's get into it. Your glow-up starts now. You know her. Bold, wild, and totally unfiltered. Miley Cyrus is all about breaking the rules and keeping it real, especially when it comes to skincare. And guess what? One of her secret weapons is good old licorice. Ready to dive into her most rebellious and raw DIY beauty hacks? Let's go. It's skincare with attitude. First, beer foam plus licorice equals glowing skin magic. Miley's a party queen, so why not turn beer into a beauty ritual? Grab fresh, dark beer packed with B vitamins. Whisk it with egg white until foamy. Then mix in a bit of licorice powder and some yeast. Slap it on your face for 10 minutes, and boom! Baby smooth, glowy skin like you just left a high-end facial. Second dish, Cyrus's Glow Mask. Honey plus whiskey equals skin goals. Not leaving the bar just yet. Next up is Whiskey Babe. It's packed with antioxidants and a go-to skin secret for more celebs than you'd guess. Just mix a shot of whiskey with honey, licorice, and egg yolk. Slap it on for 15 minutes. The whiskey tones, the honey hydrates, licorice brightens. And your skin? Lit from within. Rihanna, the queen of glow, guts, and flawless skin. She's all about bold moves and real results. Here is some Rihanna's fave DIY beauty hacks using licorice. Let's go! Riri's Island Glow Brightening Mask. Boldly mix licorice, papaya, aloe vera gel, and a bit of lime juice into a smooth paste. Apply for 10 to 12 minutes. Don't let it fully dry. Rinse with lukewarm water. The tropical glow activated. Rihanna's vibe. Your skin should feel like it just took a beach vacay, even if you've been in your room all day. Second detox shot. Clay Cleanse, a deep pore detox that preps your skin like a pro photo shoot. Mix licorice powder, clay, apple cider vinegar, and rose water into a thick mask. Apply on T-zone or entire face. Leave for 8 to 10 minutes. Then rinse off while massaging gently. Rihanna's tip. I use this before glam. It's like erasing stress off your face. Salma Hayek, the queen of timeless beauty and all things natural. She's all about ancient skin secrets. And yep, licorice is one of her go-to magic tricks. Let's try some luxe DIYs with a spicy Mexican twist. Let's go. 1. Dulce de Sol Brightening Mask with licorice and cactus. This amazing mask fades dark spots, deeply hydrates, and gives your skin that natural sunlit glow. All that's left is to get your hands on some Mexican cactus. Mix licorice, fresh prickly pear cactus juice, nopal juice better, honey and pomegranate seed oil up into a smooth paste. Apply to your face for 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. Salma's secret. In Mexico, we mix licorice with cactus. It's our go-to for even glowing skin. From her Allure interview. Second. And yep, we're heading back to the bar, the ultimate beauty hotspot for glowing skin hacks. Tequila toner with licorice, perfect for disinfects, tightens pores, and gives your skin a refreshing wake-up. Mix licorice, silver tequila, and rose water. Swipe over your face with a cotton pad, morning and night. Why tequila? Agave in tequila is a natural antiseptic, just like licorice. Salma's motto, beauty should be delicious and fun. Miranda Kerr adores licorice. Licorice is not just an ingredient, but part of my philosophy of self-love, says the beauty. This cheap, underrated pharmacy gem is her ride or die for brightening dark spots, calming rosacea, and keeping that youthful glow. Here is Miranda's favorite DIY rituals, straight from her holistic skincare playbook. Let's get glowing. 1. Turmeric Glow, Miranda's pre-shoot radiance mask. This mask is my must-have before any shoot. It gives that signature organic glow. Miranda Kerr says, mix licorice, turmeric, manuka honey, and yogurt into a smooth paste and apply to clean skin for 10 minutes. No longer. Turmeric can leave a tint. Rinse off with cold green tea to boost antioxidants and calm the skin. 2. Miranda Kerr and her Shining Night Ritual Moonlight Mask. Mix licorice, colloidal silver, yep, that magic stuff from the pharmacy, aloe vera gel, and frankincense oil up. Apply before bed. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse off with mineral water. Silver boosts the power of licorice. It's like a holistic antibiotic for your skin, she told Well Plus Good. 3. Green Glow. Not for the faint of heart smoothie, for radiant skin. Detox from the inside plus calms inflammation. Blend celery, spinach, cucumber, spirulina, and licorice up and drink on an empty stomach in the morning. A relatively yummy way to start the day. Honestly, it's not for me. But hey, worth it. Why it works. Licorice helps lower cortisol levels, and your skin feels it right away. 4. Glow while you sleep. Overnight brightening skin elixir that deeply nourishes, evens out tone, and leaves your skin glowing by morning. Miranda applies this right after bath. Mix rosehip, sea buckthorn, and lavender oils with licorice extract and massage 2 to 3 drops into clean skin before bed. No moisturizer needed. Cate Blanchett is a true fan of luxe Japanese rituals. She swears by licorice as her ultimate go-to for brightening, calming rosacea and keeping that timeless glow. Let's get into Cate's royal-level DIY secrets licorice routine. 1. Cate Blanchett says, "In Japan, I learned that licorice plus rice is the secret of geishas." From an interview with Vogue Australia. Let's make samurai ice. Tightens pores, brightens dark spots, depuffs like magic. Mix licorice decoction, rice water and camellia oil, and pour into an ice cube tray. Use 1 cube in the morning to glide over your face instead of toner. Cate swears by it even before red carpet events. 2. Kimono Glow Mask. Instant smoothing and anti-aging effect. Cate's go-to for red carpet prep. Just mix licorice, hydrolyzed silk, milk, coconut is best, and aloe juice up. Apply for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold green tea. That's Cate's antioxidant trick. Use 1 to 2 times a week. 3. Geisha Night Balm with Daikon. Deep repair plus brightening for post-acne. This is one of Cate's most guarded beauty secrets, and now it's yours. Melt the beeswax, stir in the licorice, daikon juice, and tamanu oil. Pour into a mini jar. Use overnight on clean skin, either spot treat or full face, 2 to 3 times a week, more often in winter. Cate's skincare mantra: your skin loves rituals. Licorice is my samurai against aging. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on the hottest news and amazing recipes.